So yes, Mr. Peart and Sister Nadine. So as I say, this is where we are at right now with the items that I have picked up according to the list that you guys have sent me. So I am working according to the list, and I will try my endeavor best to stretch every dollar that you guys gave me to make sure that you guys get the value for your money, and at the same time get good amount of stuff that you guys can have to last you for a while in Jamaica. All right, so this is where we are at right now so far. Yeah, so we're gonna have to go back out on the road